organelles, and that is the organelle of Golgi bodies, or we can say Golgi complex. Now, as the word says Golgi bodies, so it was first discovered by Camillo Golgi. The organelle was discovered by Camillo Golgi, and it is only found in the eukaryotic cells. So basically, eukaryotic cells are those cells which have a well-defined nucleus and well-defined nuclear membrane. This was not in the case in the prokaryotes, because prokaryotes do not have well-defined nucleus or a well-defined nuclear membrane, like we can say blue-green alga or certain bacteria. Now, when we have discussed the presence of, or we can say we have discussed where the Golgi bodies are present, now we can discuss the structure of Golgi bodies. So let us discuss the structure of Golgi bodies. So basically, the structure of Golgi bodies consists of two components, and these two components are cisternae and you have vesicles. So cisternae and vesicles are the two components that together make the Golgi bodies. Now, to make the cisternae, you have flat saucer-shaped membrane. It is something like this. So this is the shape of a saucer, and all these cisternae are stacked. That means they have one cisternae over the other cisternae. Something like this. You have stacks of cisternae, and these are known as the stacks, and basically these stacks become the cisternae. Also, some of the vesicles are actually those compounds or those membrane-bound organelles which store the fluid, and these vesicles are present near to the cisternae. So this is a structure somewhat similar to a Golgi bodies. You have stacks of cisternae, and then you have fluid which is filled in the vesicles. So as we have discussed the presence, we have discussed the structure of Golgi bodies. Now we can clearly define the functions, which is very important for the case of Golgi bodies. So let us discuss the functions of Golgi bodies. So the first function, because Golgi bodies are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, so the main function is involved for the storage, modify, to store, to modify, and to transport the proteins. So they transport the proteins. So proteins are actually made by the ribosomes, which are also attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and that reticulum is attached to the Golgi bodies. So indirectly they transport, they store the proteins which is synthesized or which is manufactured by the ribosomes. This is one of the important functions of Golgi bodies, for the transportation of proteins made by the ribosomes. The next important function of these Golgi bodies is that, so as you know, they have vesicles, and these Golgi bodies also contains digestive enzymes. So these digestive enzymes are stored in these vesicles, in some of the vesicles, not all of the vesicles, because some vesicles contain the fluid and some vesicles contain the digestive enzymes. And finally, these vesicles ultimately become the lysosomes. And these lysosomes are known as the suicidal bags, because they contain the digestive enzymes. So indirectly we can say that Golgi bodies are responsible for the formation or the manufacture of the ribosomes, because they contain the digestive enzymes which is stored in few of the vesicles. Now, Abhyas Sandan has offered a separate video on this concept. You must refer to this video and know more about the function and structure of the lysosomes. The third important structure or third important function of Golgi bodies is during cell division. So during cell division, the cell membrane also has to divide, and the Golgi bodies also divide. That means they are responsible for the cell division when two new cells are formed from the existing cell. It is something like this. So this is one cell, and after the cell division, it will form two different daughter cells. So this is the case of cell division. So till now we have discussed the presence, the structure of cisternae and vesicles, which together make up the Golgi bodies. Then we have discussed the important functions of Golgi bodies. First one is attached to the synthesis or transportation of proteins. Then we have discussed the manufacture of lysosomes, and then we have discussed their role for the cell division. So this was the concept of Golgi complex or Golgi bodies, which were first seen by the microscope. Which was done by Camillo Golgi.